Studios. Today, we're making chopped chip cookies. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows. 3/4 of a cup of butter, half a cup of golden caster sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 160 to 200 grams of chocolate. Start by adding 1.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, and half a teaspoon of salt to a bowl. Sieving is optional but ideal. Then, cut up your chocolate into small pieces for the chopped chips. After that, add 3/4 of a cup of butter to another bowl. Follow that up with half a cup of golden caster sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, an egg, and a teaspoon vanilla essence. Then, mix it all together until light and fluffy. Then, add the served ingredients to the mixture and mix them in. Follow that up with the chocolate pieces and mix those in. Once that's done, you want to separate the mixture into 2 rolls on some baking paper. Then, put them in the fridge for around 4 hours or freeze them for 30 minutes before taking them out. Then, cut them into slices. The thinner you cut them, the crispier they'll be. 1 to 2 centimeters thick is ideal, but 3 to 4 centimeters still works, but will be softer. After that, place them on a baking tray with some baking paper. Keep in mind they will expand when baking. Once they're on the tray, place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Then take them out the oven and leave them to cool. If they've melded together, you can cut them apart while they're still cooling with a knife. After they've cooled slightly, you can transfer them to a plate and they should be ready to eat and enjoy.